The new troublemaker who's joining us.
Yes, I'm the new troublemaker. My name is the Wicked Witch of the West. You can just call me Witch of East.
Welcome to the Troublemakers. Let's go in my car.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Slappers Bay Police Department. A snowstorm has been spotted. All people stay homes until all clear has been given.
I can't believe we are in a snowstorm.
Hey Dorothy, I heard that we are in a snowstorm. Are you scared?
Tin Man, I'm so scared and I can't take Toto out to use the bathroom.
Maybe Scarecrow can take him out. Scarecrow, get downstairs right now.
What, Tin Man?
Take Toto out to use the bathroom.
Okay.
Man, I don't like the snowstorm. I wish I could to Dorothy, but I can't. I have to stay home until the all clear has been given.
How did he know?